everybody, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. So today I am showcasing a wig from the real OGs, okay? WowAfrican. I got these nice little goodies that came with my wig, my little clippity clips, because girl, you know I love these clips. Also included was this edge brush that had this really neat design, so I'm gonna use that later on in the video. And of course, a nice rat tail comb. So here's what the inside of the cap construction looks like. This is a 360 lace wig, okay? So full lace. It's going all around the perimeter. And as you can see, included is this little stretchy elastic band that keeps the wig secure on your head. So I want y'all to take a look at this hairline, okay? Pre-plucked, pre-bleached. And look at this pretty ombre brown, girl. It's real thick. She's 180% density. But anyway, y'all, I already did the ball cap method. I'm going to go ahead and engage the adjustable straps that are in the back. I've got my elastic band that is ready to go. And I'm putting it on my head and it fits me very nicely. I'm just pulling the wig down to cover this 5-head. So as you can see, the hairline looks really nice and natural on me. And honey, if you decided to wear this up in a ponytail, it is going to be something serious. This hair is so thick. So here's a nice close-up of the hairline before any alterations or any additional plucking, because I did decide that I was gonna pluck a little bit more for this wig, because I like a good widow's peak. I'm gonna lay it down with some got-to-be glue, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and customize the hairline. As you can see, one side is a little bit more plucked than the other. That is up to you, okay? Do you, boo. If you like the way it came, just rock it like that fresh out the bag, because it looks amazing either way. So now I'm gonna clip all this hair out of my way, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear flaps. And make sure that it's nice and flush to my head. I like to cut my lace in 3 portions and work in sections, so that way I'm not rushing and I can take my time on each section. So I'm gonna go in with this tool that I really appreciated, because usually I have a whole bunch of baby wipes right in front of me and my fingers get all messy, so I appreciate this.
I doubt that we can solve it.
And watch out for the lace, girl, because it's trying to bite back. So once the blow dryer makes that gel nice and tacky, I like to go ahead and pull down my lace. I use the rat tail comb to try to smush the lace into the gel for even more adhesion. And then I'm going to put on my elastic band for 20 to 40 to 60 to 80 minutes.
Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more.
Y'all, when I tell you this hair is it's like Yaki straight, so it is like a really nice natural pressed feeling. Like there's weight to it, and it's 20 inches long, girl, so it's long. So you go ahead and let that elastic band do the work for you. And the girl said to leave the band on for an hour. And whoever said that, that tip, that is golden. When I took this band off, let me tell you, the only thing that stuck to my head was the Velcro in the back. It came off so smooth. So anyway, I'm cutting my lace now. I'm using a zigzaggy pattern, which gives you the most natural hairline.
We will never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never.
I'm gonna use some spritz to make sure that my edges are melted, and I'm using that tool again, which I really like.
No need to apologize. No, we won't.
So now that the wig is on, it's secure, hairline is looking nice, I got an idea, and I'm going to give this a butterfly cut, okay? And this haircut is going to be so tantalizing. Blood of Jesus. Here's a nice shot of the back so you can see how long it is, right? Okay, so first of all right, I'm not a stylist. You can probably tell. How many years did I spend in hair school, okay? The answer is still 0. It will always be 0. But that did not stop me, okay? Don't let a small thing like education stop you from living the life of your dreams, okay? Because this butterfly cut came out so good. I am proud of myself, okay? Look at that technique. Ain't nobody doing that. Nobody's doing that. Paul Mitchell, call me up. Look at that. It looks like I'm hacking my hair, but I'm not, all right? There's a method to my madness. Call me Edward. So after I'm finished cutting, I'm about to make it come to life, all right? I go in with some spray wax. I'm gonna use my straightening comb to hit up that hairline, and then I'm going to curl. The curl is what makes the butterfly wings activate, okay? And listen, when I tell you this hair is, did I say this hair was thick? I split one section, 20 more sections, good God. I used a lot of holding spray and a lot of patience and a lot of Bridgerton. And they need to stop tripping with the splitting up the seasons. I'm about sick of it, Netflix. Get it together. She's done. So now all that's left is for me to finger comb these curls. And you'll see how the layers just, I forgot a clip. The layers just fall into place. Handcrafted, okay? Technique. I'm trying to tell you. So if you were going to a really nice function, I would not comb out these curls. I would let them fall naturally, because once you comb out these curls, it's just gonna get looser. And one thing I will say is, after wearing this hair for a couple of days, is that as the curls fell and the hair was a bit straighter, because of the thickness, I don't know, the layers just fell and it was giving me life. So it looks good when it was straighter, and it looked amazing curly.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look in.
Pretty gal, fine gal, tropical gal. But anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about this wig will be in the description box below, like always. I got time, because guess what? A girl is done with school. She is finished. She passed, y'all. She passed. Anyway, love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.